what's up? It's Alexandria here, and I know it's been entirely too long since I posted a video on my YouTube channel. My camera's been broken for like 5 months now, and I just got it fixed today, literally today, and I was like, I gotta jump on here and record. Thank goodness I had some content on my camera that I was able to edit to at least put something on my channel within the last 5 months, but it's been bad. So I'm so happy to be back and bring you guys some new looks, some new content to my channel. For today, we're going to be doing this summer glam makeup look. It's a super chill look, very easy, dewy summer look, no foundation because it's hot. We're gonna melt all that off. So this is your sweat proof, get through the day in the summertime routine. Stay tuned if you're interested in checking out how I achieve this look. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is my brows. In the summer, I like to keep my brows pretty light. Like, I don't like to go too dramatic. So I'm gonna use the usual Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I have a brand new pomade. There's like no better feeling than opening a brand new one of these. And I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. I don't know the number, it's rubbed off, but it's just their brow angle brush. So I'm just gonna fill in my brows. Again, I don't like them to be too defined because I feel like in the summertime it's all about like that fresh out of the pool, glowy, kind of natural look. Plus, like, if you try to beat your face in the summer, like, it will just be melting down your face. Or maybe that's just me. I live in North Carolina and a beat face is just not, it's not an option, okay? Alright, so brows are done. I don't do anything crazy, like I don't carve them out or anything like that. In the summertime, it's just really not that deep. Also, one of the major keys of your summer makeup look, I literally just started getting eyelash extensions in May before I went on vacation. And they are life because I feel like my summer routine is so simple and a lot lighter, and usually with no foundation. My eyelash extensions gives me a little bit more of a dramatic look. Even when I'm just chilling or I'm at the pool with no makeup, whatever. I actually did these myself. I went and got them filled one time and I was like, I think I could do this myself. So I've actually been filling in my lashes myself. I've got a combination of individual and cluster lashes. So I've been using the Vava Lash individual lashes and then the Ardell kind of individual cluster lashes, and it wasn't that bad. I got impatient, so that's why I went to the store and got these because the individuals was taking forever. But I would highly recommend giving it a try. It's not that difficult. Just make sure you're really careful with your glue. I used the Lash Tight Dark Adhesive by Ardell, and I'll probably give you guys a tutorial on how I do this next time I need to fill them in. So my lashes are already looking popping. One thing I did forget to say is make sure you keep your skin moisturized in the summer. That is so important. So I'm really simple with what I put on my face. Like, I've always just not been really big into putting a lot of products on my face. So all I did for moisturizer today was just do the St. Ives moisturizer on my face, and then I used some good old chapstick to moisturize my lips. And just because I've been talking, I already need some more. So that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the look. I'm not gonna be wearing foundation. I have a major tan, so I actually had to go to the store and pick up a different shade of concealer. But I've been using the Born This Way concealer lately and I absolutely love it. I had been using the Warm Sand color, but now I am in Butterscotch. So I'm just gonna apply this underneath my eyes to get rid of these dark circles. And this color is much better than the Warm Sand color. I was looking a little too bright under my under eyes with my summer tan. And it's only gonna get worse. I mean, like, summer literally just started. And word on the street is it's a hot girl summer. So got to be prepared. I'm gonna blend it in with this e.l.f. Blending sponge. I actually have been using this sponge a lot lately instead of my beauty blender, and I really like it a lot. And I really only conceal underneath my eyes. I don't really have too many problem areas with my skin. Hashtag blessed, but and my forehead is like so much darker than the rest of my face, so I feel like it gives me like a natural contour look with the highlighter under eye. Then I do go and hit my eyelids as well, because my eyelids are pretty dark. Then it also acts as a primer for any shadow that we want to do. So now once I blended that in, I go in with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder in light, and I just set that. I love this powder, but one thing I will say, it is super freaking messy. Like, it gets everywhere when I'm doing my makeup, and it's so annoying because a lot of days I end up doing my makeup in the car, so y'all don't even want to see what my passenger side seats look like. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow. I think like gold coppery tones are like the best color eyeshadows for the summertime. It's just enough to bring out the color in your eyes, and it really sparkles in the sun. So I'm using this eyeshadow that I just got. It is ColourPop in the color Lightning Bug. It is so freaking pretty. Like, look at that. So I'm just gonna take a flat brush. This is the Urban Decay flat brush, nothing serious. Go into this, then just apply it all over my lid. All right, so you've got that on. Super duper simple. I'm loving the way that looks, but I think I want to add a transition shade. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use this California Beaming bronzer, which I just got. It's from NYX. Haven't tried it yet, but I'm gonna pop that into the crease. I'm gonna take this cute little Real Techniques brush and brush away any glitter. All right, next I'm gonna go on with blush. I'm trying a new blush today. It looks really similar to one of my favorite blushes that I hit pan on and I can't find the replacement for. That blush was from Morphe. This is NYX Sweet Cheeks Glow. The color is Citron Rose. So I'm gonna go in with this Eco Tools brush. I've literally had this brush for decades. This might have been like one of my first ever makeup brushes. That is very pigmented. A lot more pigmented than I thought it would be. Then I'm gonna go in with that bronzer that I just used on my eyes, and I'm going to bronze my forehead even though it's already looking really bronze, and just add a little bit of bronzer to my cheeks. I'm using this really cute Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm just gonna dab it on. Again, nothing too serious. Right, now it's time to highlight. We're like literally almost done. Can you believe it? It's so easy. and pretty much sweat proof, which is the goal. So I'm using 2 highlighters today, Master Chrome Maybelline highlighter, and then I'm also using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. So I'm just gonna take this highlighting brush from e.l.f. and apply that on my cheekbones. Then I'm just gonna top it off with this Amrezy, mainly on my nose. And then, of course, I need to do my inner corner highlight. I'm just gonna take this pencil brush and I'm gonna go back into the Master Chrome and hit the inner corner. Okay, so for mascara, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. This came in like a little sample pack one of my friends got me for my birthday, and I haven't tried this one yet. So if you can't tell throughout this video, I'm trying a lot of products I haven't tried before because I wanted to bring some new stuff since it's been a while since I've been on YouTube, and I didn't want to come back with like literally all the same product. Now for the gloss. I'm so happy because when I went to Ulta yesterday, they had my favorite gloss back in stock. I swear I've been going to Ulta all the time and they never have this gloss. So anyway, I'm gonna line my lips with this liner. This is from NYX. It's just a brown liner. Summer is like literally all about the gloss, like glossy nude lips. And the gloss that I'm talking about is this Morphe gloss in the color Freebird. I love this gloss because I have the perfect combination that I absolutely love of nude glosses. So like Freebird, which is my base. It's like the perfect base color. And then my favorite part, the topper. So I'm topping it with this gloss. This is from J Nova collection. This is in the color Cinnamon. I am obsessed with this color gloss. Like this combo is like life to me. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. It's like that super dewy, cute. I'm just glowing, my summer glow, my little hot girl summer vibes. I love this look. It's so freaking easy. And it's just really cute and natural. And you don't have to risk your makeup sweating off. One thing I did forget to do is set. So I'm gonna set with the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. And this is the coconut water one and it is live. So now I'm done. This is it guys. This is the finished look. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm coming back harder than ever. Like I'm so motivated now that my camera is fixed. You guys have no idea. So be expecting some brand new fun content from me. Like, comment, let me know what you think below. Love ya. See you in my next video. Bye.